This next combination is a melding of a waltz clog and a maxi Ford. Waltz clogs and maxi Fords are very closely related. They have the same rhythm typically. And so what we're going to do now is basically do a maxi Ford, but instead of going to the tip behind, you are going to step on the ball of the foot behind the other foot. And that's going to allow you to change your maxis every time, but start it with a step instead of a shuffle. So it's sort of an alternating maxi, but not really. So because you're stepping behind on the ball of the foot, it kind of has a waltz clog look to it as well. So I call these waltzing maxis because technically they're a maxi Ford, but they also have a waltz clog feel to them. So instead of doing your toe tip behind, if you change that to a step, it's going to cause you to change sides. So this is kind of like a cross between a maxi Ford and a waltz clog. So you start with a step on the right foot, you're going to shuffle, you're going to step to the front on the left foot, and then you're going to step behind with the right foot. Then you step out to the side with the left, shuffle right, step front right, step back. Step, shuffle, front, back, step, shuffle, front, back. Step, shuffle, front, back, step, shuffle, front, back. Step, shuffle, front, back, step, shuffle, front, back, step, shuffle, front, back, step, shuffle, front, back. One more time, waltzing maxis. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3.